Do you ever wonder why tigers have stripes all over their body? Just like human fingerprints, no two tigers have the exact same stripe pattern. This unique pattern of stripes helps tigers blend into their natural habitat, which is often dense forests or grasslands with dappled sunlight and shadows. The stripes break up the tiger's outline, making it harder for prey to detect them while they stalk or ambush their prey. The stripes also serve to disrupt the tiger's body shape, making it more challenging for prey animals to determine the tiger's exact size, speed, and distance. This visual disruption can confuse prey and give the tiger an advantage during hunting. Until next time, stay curious and stay subscribed.